IELTS Speaking Part 3. Topic: Reading. Question 1. Are there any occasions when reading at speed is a useful skill?
Personally, if I'm reading something interesting, I don't like reading too quickly because I feel that I don't properly absorb the information. However, it can be useful to skim through things when you don't really want to read them, or when you just need to find one particular piece of information. For example, I read at speed when I'm checking a household bill or a letter from the bank.
Question 2. Are there any jobs where people need to read a lot? What are they?
Well, researchers obviously need to read a lot. And I suppose that politicians, journalists, and other professionals who need to know about current affairs read a lot too. Having said that, I think most workers read hundreds of emails every week. In my previous job, for example, I had to check internal staff emails at least twice a day.
Question 3. Do you think that reading novels is more interesting than reading factual books? Why is that?
Both types of book can be equally interesting in my opinion. A good novel can transport you to another world where the characters in the book become almost real. On the other hand, factual books can give you fascinating insights into anything from psychology to ancient history.
This concludes IELTS Speaking Part 3. Kindly leave the topics or IELTS questions you need answers for in the comment section below. I will create videos to address those. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for new and useful learning material uploaded every day. Thank you for listening.